Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Walgreens heating pad is showing a blinking red light and not heating properly, it can be confusing because the device seems powered on but isn't functioning as expected. This blinking red indicator is usually a safety signal, which means the pad has detected something like overheating, a loose connection, or an internal interruption. Many users think the heating pad is damaged, but in most cases, the issue is temporary and can be fixed with a few simple checks. The important thing is to reset the system properly and make sure everything is connected and positioned correctly. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix the blinking red light issue and get your heating pad working normally again. Try these. Step 1. Unplug the heating pad from the power outlet completely. Step 2. Allow the pad to cool down for a few minutes before restarting. Step 3. Reconnect the controller securely to the heating pad. Step 4. Check the pad surface and remove any folds or pressure points. Step 5. Plug the heating pad back into a stable power outlet. Step 6. Turn it on and check if the blinking red light stops and heating resumes.